I'm gonna play b4. It's a little bit weird, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah. Go knight c95. I might go b5, so I might just play like. I feel like I feel like I did something like this before. It's gonna take and play like bishop b2, I guess. Takes with a pawn, which I thought was a little bit dubious. Can I grab? I mean, I really want to go for the gobble, but I don't think it works. I guess I'll just take. Play d4, stop knight c5. Of course, very important that I don't allow this. A little bit slow here at the start, but we'll wind into it as always. Remember, it should be emote. It's emote, right? Wait, is it not? Emote. We are in emote mode, so you guys are trolling me. Wait a second. Now I gotta focus. I guess I'll go here to trade some bishops. If he takes, I'm gonna go queen b2 and take the pawn next turn. Seems like my position should be fairly decent, but we'll see what he does. Well, ring in. Oh, I also like queen d6 maybe, but whatever. Gonna go here, bishop h3. I can play bishop f1 or g3 depending what I want to do. Yeah, the cloudy day. Okay, he's really thinking here. I mean, it's something like bishop d3 maybe, but it still looks pretty bad. A little bit too slow as well. See what he does here. Goes knight b6, which I don't particularly understand. I'll just take the pawn, hit the knight. I think this just loses material, actually. It goes there, but okay, I can go g3 and just ignore. There's no queen e4, of course, my knight covers the square. I mean, the bishop looks very menacing on h3, but I don't think it actually does anything. First of all, I can just take the pawn. I can also grab this one. A little bit risky, but I'm going to go for this, just because I think I'm fine here, and also I think it's pretty safe to play, even though I've got these weaknesses. Go like here, maybe. I just want to start pushing p, basically. Could have played queen e4 also, but my idea is very similar. I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and win the game. That's it. He's also way too slow. There's h6. Okay, let's start pushing the p up the board. Because now it's very scary. I just want to go 1, 2, 3. It's my pawn is rolling fast. $20. Okay. Now I just got to make sure if I could play e4 here, but I think I'm just going to keep pushing p. It's a little bit risky what I'm doing, though. I should have played a6. Why didn't I just go a6? I could sack the queen. Should I sack the queen for the memes is a big question. This guy's 2,500. Do I think I'm good enough to beat him if I sack the queen? I can definitely... Oh, wait. Do I have g... I might have g4 also. Wait, g4? No, g4. He just goes rook b1. Do I sack the queen or not? I mean, I think I'm good enough to beat him if I sack the queen, but it's also risky. It's also risky if I'm wrong. It's risky. Who cares? Let's just go for it. Let's go for it. Let's have some fun and try to meme. Keep the meme dream alive. Let's go here. Go here, I guess. Go here, attack the rook. How do I do this? It's not easy. Let's play here. Go here, attack the pawn. Oh, and now I think I can go after the pawn, and I should be winning. I've also got a flying B. Very, 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 very questionable decision by me, but I'll make it work. Go. Tricky still. How do I do this? I guess I'll go... Goes there. Wait, but now I can go here, and I'm threatening mate in 1. There's just mate in 1, so I win the game. Or no, it's not mate in 1. Sorry, he's guarding. He can go here, but it's still winning. Wait, but this should be winning. No, I take with check. I think just check, and king g4, rook f4 is mate. Yeah, this is also checkmate. There we go. We get the win. 1 up.